Hi everyone! So, ang topic natin is general eschatology. Ano ba ang general eschatology? It is the study of the future events that affects the whole world, like the return of the Christ, the resurrections of the dead, and the final judgment, and the new heaven and earth. This reminds us that history is going to somewhere. God is moving everything towards the glorious and victorious end. So, sabi dito sa Acts 1:11, and said, "Man of a Gentile, why do you stand looking into heaven? This Jesus who was taken up from you into heaven will come in the same way as you saw him go into heaven." So dito, sinasabi dito, yung Diyos natin, He is not unjust. Hayaan natin na managana yung buhay natin o yung mabubuting gawa natin. What is the act of kindness as you can make as your investment today? So, napaka-importante po na matanong natin yan sa sarili natin. And 3 things that happen in the future. This is our blessings and hope. Ang pagbabalik ng Panginoong Jesus is complete restoration sa buhay natin. Lahat ng resulta ng kasalanan, lahat yan ay mawawala. The last enemy to be defeated is death. Resurrection and judgment ang mangyayari sa pagbabalik ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Ang unang mangyayari ay resurrection and judgment. Sabi nga dito sa Acts 24:15, "And I have the same hope in God's these men themselves have, that there will be a resurrections of both the righteous and the weak." So, pagdating ng ating Panginoong Jesus, dito sinasabi ang mga namatay muling bubuhayin. Lahat ng mabuti patungo sa buhay na walang hanggan. Lahat ng masama patungo sa buhay ng kaparusahan. Sa pagbabalik ng ating Panginoong Jesus, lahat ng bagay na kasama, may kasamaan, pagdurusa, mawawala na yun. So, this is making a new complete restorations of all things, of all creation. Perfect world. So, restorations yung beauty ng perfect creation. Make this world a better place. Huwag kang papayag na mawawala ka dito sa mundo, na you don't make this world a better place. Lahat tayo may mission sa Panginoon. Na lahat tayo ay gagamitin ng Panginoon for His great commission. Na gawin natin yung kabutihan na magpapaganda sa mundo. So, kung si Jesus hindi siya pinanganak, sa tingin nyo, anong klaseng mundo meron tayo? Siguro, baka napakasama ng mga nangyayari sa mundo natin, diba? Kaya masalimuot yung mundo. Pero, nagpapasalamat tayo kasi pinanganak si Jesus Christ. Sa mundong ito, kasi, napaganda yung mundo natin. So, huwag kang papayag na aalis ka sa mundong ito na yung nadatnan mo, hindi mo mapapaganda. So, ang Diyos po ay, ang mission niya is gawin ng maayos yung mundo hanggang sa maging perfect ulit yung buong creation na ginawa niya from the start. So, let's take one closer to Jesus every day. Mas makakilala natin siya araw-araw. Napaka-importante yan. Sabi niya sa Matthew 25:40, the King will reply, "Truly I tell you, whatever you did for one of the least of these brothers and sisters of mine, you did for me." So, kung anong ginawa mo sa kapwa mo, yun din ang ginagawa mo sa akin. gumawa kayo ng kabutihan. Kasi lahat ng ginagawa ninyo para sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Ang sabi nga dito sa Galatians 6, verse 9 to 10, let us not become weary in doing good. For the proper time, we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Therefore, as we have opportunity, let us do good to our people, specifically to those who belong in the family of believers. So, huwag tayong susuko. Kaya huwag tayong mapapagod sa paggawa ng mabuti. Lalo na sa mga kapwa-kapatid natin sa pananampalataya. Kung may ginagawa kang, kung mayroong mga ginagawang kasamaan, mayroong karampatang kapalit yun. Tatandaan natin. So, sabi nga sa Hebrew 10, God is not unjust. He will not forget what your work and love you have shown Him as you have helped Him, His people, and continue to help them. At napaka-importante nito, Diyos natin, He is not unjust. Hayaan natin na managana yung buhay natin sa pamamagitan ng kabutihang nagagawa natin. Kasi in the future, at the end, ikaw ang magbe-benefit niyan. So, what is the act of kindness as you can make as an investment today? Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.